India and the United Kingdom share a close and multifaceted bilateral relationship covering a broad range of areas such as trade and investment, defense, critical technologies, civil aviation, health, and energy. The remarkable success of India-UK partnership owes greatly to the exemplary vision and dynamic leadership of Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
As a UK parliamentarian, to me it's so incredibly important to forge those deep links between our two countries. We are so much stronger together and we're so much more dynamic in terms of working together. And of course, there's so much shared history, but more excitingly, a shared future together. And that's epitomised by the young people of both our countries, how they want to study together, how they want to work together, and how we can all prosper together.
Hi there, my name is Lord Chairman. I'm a member of the House of Lords and formerly a member of the National Parliament for Wales, which is part of the United Kingdom. My involvement with India has gone back almost 50 years with colleagues around me in Wales who have been part of the diaspora, which has been so important to the development of our community in our part of this United Kingdom. I think what we're seeing is that the Indian diaspora here is playing a very, very important part in both the economy and in the social culture and the social fabric of our country. Therefore, the bridge between our country and India is very strong indeed.
100% agree and support that under his leadership, our status, our respect has increased. Wherever the Indians go nowadays, they are considered literate, they are considered the technical people, they are considered assimilating in the society, they are considered to add value to the society, they are considered to add value to the economy. So we are really proud of how we have achieved in last 10 years.
We are confident that with Shri Narendra Modi ji's effective foreign policy, India-UK ties will prove to be a defining partnership among global superpowers.